Hello everybody, how you doing on this wonderful Thursday morning? I'm down here in Dover today for a Kent Invicta Chamber networking meeting at the Best Western Dover Marina Hotel. It looks brilliant. I'm actually on the seafront at the moment in the port. There's boats everywhere. There's a ferry over there. I don't know if you can see the ferry there, look, going over to France shortly. There's some crazy people swimming in the sea just behind me. There was some screaming as they went in. I don't know if that was pleasure or pain. Probably pain because it is pretty cold in there, and God knows what's swimming around in there as well. I have no idea, but I'm really looking forward to today's session, looking forward to seeing some familiar faces, some new faces as well. If you're coming down, come and say hello. Let's have a chat over a coffee. What I'd love to talk to you about today is about continuous improvement. I'd like to help you learn some new skills, get a qualification that you can use in your organisation, in any organisation you go into. And as a little teaser, next week at the Holiday Inn in Ashford North, I am doing a 2-hour Lean Thinking 5S workshop. It will be great for you to come along and learn some real basic continuous improvement skills using Lego that you can go back into your business and use immediately and deliver benefits. You'll be surprised just how much it makes a difference. And if you like that, you can come back for some more proper training from advanced all the way down to beginner. We do the full Monty at Eversaline. So I'm gonna pop into the hotel, have a sneaky coffee just to see what it's like, because it would be rude not to. But it's beautiful down here. If you've not been to Dover before, look at this, eh? How amazing is this? Definitely worth the trip, especially today where there's no wind, crazy people in the sea, but it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that, eh? Look at that. On the way in, we drove past the white cliffs, although they was on the other side, but I can imagine what they look like. I saw the green side, not the white side. Anyway, that's it from me. Take care, have a lovely Thursday, and I'll see you all very soon.